Hello friends. And welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to change Windows 11 themes. First open Start menu, and type Settings. Go to Personalization. Click Themes. You will find the default themes by Microsoft. You can choose one of them if you want. Let's try the dark one. Also we can change and customize it. Go to Color. We can turn on this option to show the accent color to the Start menu and taskbar, as we can see. Also we can turn on this option to show accent color on the title bar. We can change the color to green. And open any application like Edge. And now we can see the color in the title bar. If we change the color, it will reflect on taskbar and title bar. Also you can go back and click on Themes. And browse themes from Microsoft Store. You can choose any of them and download it. But you have to sign in with your Microsoft account. So you can choose any theme you want. You can also customize on Windows sounds. You can change mouse cursor. That's it. Hope the video was useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and like the video and share it. Thank you for watching.